one of the collections chamfer foil that you've been waiting, and any of you that got last 2 weeks, it was out of stock. We're so sorry, but it's back in the stock now for you. So if you have a bestie that been waiting for it, please let them know so they won't miss it out. I'm gonna apply all inside the nails here for 30 seconds. You can do 60 seconds, it doesn't hurt at all. And I'm gonna cure that one. Hi Deb, how are you? Thanks so much. Is that IG out again?
No, it's good.
Is IG is back again. Hi Michelle, thank you so much for tuning in. We missed you. All right, so I just want to have one of this. Want to show you right here. Look at this one. It's so cool. I'm using a chromes, and then Vicky will tell me do it underneath. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see how I can do it underneath too. So that one is done. And we're gonna do this look. I wanna create this look and see how it turned out. And just press it on. Can you see? And you can just lay to wherever you want your foil to be. Right there.
Hey Debbie, yeah, so right now she's back on. You want to jump over?
Don't worry, because I'm going to put the chrome on that.
Move it over. Okay, there you go.
Right. And make sure you press it firmly, and it transfer really super easy. I don't know, thank you Debbie, somehow it just crashed on us. I think it's back to normal now, is that right?
Yep.
Let's take that off. Just remove this one. Oh my god, it's transferred to the tacky too. It's funny. Just ignore the tacky putty underneath, because when we take it off, you don't see anything. It's transfer.
Oh, then you got designer party.
Yeah, designer party. So now I'm gonna do some a little bit chrome on it. I did this one in silver, so I'm gonna show you some gold. And this silver, I am going to probably, so I want to do it like option, so then you can do different look and a different design. So I'm gonna put the no wipe top coat on and apply all inside the nails and cure for only 15 seconds, because I am going to do a chrome. Somehow I'm too far away from it, but it's okay. I'm gonna get that comb, and I really want this. Maybe I should get this on my nails. I should change this to that colors. Vicky was saying.
16.
15 seconds.
Oh.
And I'm gonna using Holo chromatic art in gold colors. I really like this. We use it all the time. Happy Monday. I miss you after the weekend. Hope everyone have a great, it's like a Mother's Day. I think I might overcure it too much from that. but not a big deal. I think we get too much here.
Is this one more?
No. Let me fix that and see how it's gonna turn out. I'm using a little bit of alcohol because I think it will he'll pressing a wrong button to maybe 60 seconds. It keeps super freaking fast. So I'm using alcohol to remove it. And then let me try it, see if it's gonna grip it on. Don't worry if you have that happens. Just do the same what I did. And it's grip it better now, but it's not gonna be like, because it's transparent. Actually, I really like it though. Should I do whole nails though?
That's well. Well, they do half. So you can kind of see the difference.
It doesn't do it whole nails though. Oh, I'm so in love with this. Vicky, if you're still here, I can do the nails like this. I want my nails like this. Oh, let me do it whole nails like this. Just a little bit. Well, now it's only a hint of it. It doesn't give a lot. So, okay, so I have then, you can see that the different option you can do whole nails. Like this one, I put a little bit hint pink on it, and you can put gold, you can put silver, however you would like to. I think it looks cute either way. And just dust this off. Looks cute after we take that off. And let me move this one away. And now, if you have a goes on, we can have this super cute. Oh, that is super cute. Or you can do this piece on it. How about that? It looks cute with the gold. And then that one. Either one. So I'm going to do both of this, okay? So you can see, if you put a different centerpiece on, it still looks really cute. So I want to show you both options if you are doing a press-on or glue-on for clients in a different look. So one is a silver and then one with the gold. So however you would like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and using condensed glue gels. This is condensed glue gel. It's so thick density that will hold the crystals from flat back 3D to a charms and a chain. You're gonna see me doing a big piece of it on this nails, and a thick density, so each time you're using it, you just need a little bit. I'm gonna use this. Either you're gonna do it right in the centerpiece on the top of like a cuticles on the nails, or you can do it right in the middle of the nails. It's however you would like it. I think it's good. Should I do both of them at the same time? I can do one.
Well, put one on, then here, then work on the other one.
Okay, I'm putting on this one as well. Usually when I do the clients, I would do two, like on left one and then right ones, but I do two fingers at a time. I would not do a whole entire set because...
Yeah, so how do you get your chrome stick?
Marissa, I using a no wipe top coat. It's no wipe top coat, and apply that and use it on the top of the chrome, the foil. I'm sorry. After we transfer the foil, and then you're gonna using a no wipe top coat and key it for 15 seconds, and you're gonna rub your chrome's pigments on, and just a little. If you want more, you can do it over again, but I just want to see through a little bit shimmery, so you can rub it on. And then you don't even have to do any top coat, and I'll go right in with the condensed glue gels right now. You right here with me right now. So, and then we're gonna put the no wipe top coat. I'm gonna work on one first, and using a no wipe top coat on the top of this. The reason it is gonna be the no wipe top coat and unclear condensed glue gel will help grab crystals, charm, chains, and it's stuck in the nail space, and it stay on for a long time. And I am going to using this crystal picker. She's heavy though, but beautiful. So I'm using this. It's had a little bit like have a retro gold, so it can go with both really gold and also is go with silver. So, or you can using this beautiful. I love this one. This diamond shard obsidian. So this is one of my favorites as well. You can do so many design with that. This one I still have. And then this one I'm gonna put, I just want to say hi to Instagram. Just don't, just want to let you know that I want to say hello. And thank you so much for tuning in. If you are first time tune in to our live tutorial, thank you so much. Go to your side, the nail bed. Iris, is that the on the press-on nails? You mean, sweetie? Yes, we do. If you check it on the website, we have several sets there, and also we're gonna have a lot of different set featured from a lot of artists. And they have so many, so please stay tuned for more, like so many different design iris so you can choose from. Do you mean that the nails so then you can wear on the nails, or you mean the same?
How do you size them?
Oh, how do I size them? Hold on, how do you size them? Give me 1 second. Sarah got one of the videos on YouTube, share how to size them. DM us, Iris, so we're gonna show you how to size them as well. But usually when we do, we give you 20 nails, so you don't have to worry about sizing them. If you're not sure, then usually 20 nails will fit pretty much all. They fit all because we give you all sizes, so then you can fit every single size of your nails. Okay, I can't see on the side right here. Sorry, I'm gonna adjusting it before. Great. I think I got it good. It looks like it's crooked, but it's not crooked. I'm so OCD at this part though. But I think it looks good though. Great. So I am going to go ahead and key this one. I can't wait to show you this from the box because it'll look so different after we remove that tacky, sticky tacky here. Okay, key for 60 seconds. Hold this. Do not mess it up, please. We'll be so upset if you mess it up. Pull it here, like, can't, I think it's good. Oh, it is. Oh, sorry, everyone. All right, does that look better? Okay, good. So this one, if you are just tuning in, this one I already applied one layer of this just a few minutes ago. Condensed glue gel, really thick density. I applied one layer of it. If you're first time using a condensed glue gel, it kind of thick density, so it's normally that is how the formula is. So just gently like blend it out. It's gonna go really nice and soft blend on the nail plates for you. So now I'm go ahead and using a no wipe top coat, and this is condensed glue gel. I haven't cured yet; it's still wet. So I am going to using the no wipe top coat on the top and using the floating technique. Let me move this one because this might get in the way. And using a floating technique, so therefore you won't pull your condensed glue gels off from the nail plates. So then that way you can place your crystals and the base of the crystal will be stuck right really good, with the condensed glue gel and a no wipe top coat. And I am getting super duper cute. This is the newest Chandelier. I'm so obsessed with this. Super cute. If you don't want anything, if you want to be like, I don't know how it's doing it, like really frame like this, you can leave it alone. or you can put some crystal on, or you can put some obsidian crystal on. Or if you want some bling on it, then you put some on, and you don't necessarily have to. If you want to, then you can, but then we don't want too much to take it away from your beautiful designs, Chandelier. That's just my opinions, but if you want, you know me as always added some, but you don't have to. Just to add some on.
Yes, so now Alexandra asked you, do you want to do, you use acrylic on press on?
You can, unless your clients request, but I would think because of the nails press on is already have some build in the structure is really nice and natural curves already, so it looks really natural on the nails. And I wear that once. If you I think it's one of the video I did it before that I have whole entire press on. It lasts me 2 weeks. I didn't put any products on except just gel polish, and it will last. And I'm really hard on my nails, and it will last me like good 2 weeks. I took it off because we're doing a live video and I show you, and a lot of you were asking me to doing the like a nails on my nails, so that's why I did it. But if I leave it there, it should last another good maybe another weeks or 2 also. They're not popping up or like cracking off or anything. Just wipe it up. Vicky will like, Nancy, you can't supposed to do that. So, and then you put a couple of the beads in there. I really love to play with these beads. In a little bit, I'm going to play with this one using a different chamfer foil. So bear with me. I just want to share with you, so then if you are, like a lot of you is been getting your press-on treasure box. Thank you so much. And I'm so appreciate that, you know, you having fun with this, and we can't wait to see your creation. And then instead of your $49, and you turn it to like $490, $490 or $4,900 during this difficult time. And it's something that we can able to do for you, and we are here to walk you all steps. So even if your first time doing a press on, or you're not even thinking, because we keep waiting to get back to salon. In some of your states is not allowed to be back in open the salon yet. So then it's something you can able to having fun and practice on the skill, doing fun nails art. So you, in the meantime, you miss your clients, miss what you're doing, but also you can even like get beautiful set of nails and then sell it to your clients, because the clients are dying, want to get the nails beautiful done. Okay, I think it's good. I didn't want to do a lot more, because then it's going to take away from my beautiful design. So I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and I would using precision glue on both of them.